All right, when you're about to work with fire, make sure you have gloves that have stood the test of time. Hey, Randy, get Chad the night off. Is this you? Do you want it to not be you and to be this? Stick around because we're about to show you how you can do that. I should learn how to work the camera. All right, here's what we got. We talked about having your pants on fire. Now, people don't normally like to do that. Have the pants on fire. So, our friends at BOCOMAL said to us some fire-resistant pants. And we're going to try them out today. A few things we're going to do. We're going to talk a little bit about what they're pocketed up. We'll talk about that at the end. But first, let's see if we can set these bad boys on fire. Don't try this at home. All right. Ooh. Yes. So, what we're going to do is we are going to change this out for the old flat wheel. I should have done this before I was talking to you. Anyway, how was your guys' day? Yeah, I don't want to hear it. I spent all my day in a training, and I'm not even close to being done yet. All right. Ooh. Don't try that at home. But if you do, make sure you're wearing safety gear. Right? Right. Try again. Getting warm. Didn't burn it. Got warm, but that was it. Let's put these things to the test. Feel a little weird only being filmed from the waist up like Elvis on the Ed Sullivan Show. But it's all for science. All right, when you're about to work with fire, make sure you have gloves that have stood the test of time. Oh yeah, these are good. You know, I know they're good because they got my name on them. Actually, no, this is Chad's gloves. I'm Randy. It's weird. Look at that. It flamed up and it went out right away. Huh. Flamed up and went out right away. Now there's a burn mark, and it did go through. So there's that, right? Okay, let's see what we learned. Before we see what we learned, let's talk about the pants. Now, they fit just fine, true to size. They have pockets in the back, Velcro. Hammer loop, in case you want to hammer something. Another pocket here on the leg. Pocket there. Pocket here. Pen and holder pockets. I mean, look at that. Pockets everywhere, man. Everywhere. Now, what we did learn is that it did start on fire. It did. Right there. Now this is the first, I put it right on the edge on purpose. So we did have a fire, but you saw it went out right away. Yeah, before I even grabbed it, it was out. So we do have a little bit of a, but I'll tell you what, it's meant to be fire resistant, not fireproof. So, and we all know that those propane torches are ripping hot. That is not a, that's not a fail. That just shows that that this is a real test. All right, so you saw I was shooting sparks right on my leg. Right on my leg. Yeah, and it got warm. It never got hot. My skin never felt like it was burning. So, which, hey, that's fantastic. So, BOCOMAL. Now, that's a win. Fire resistant, not fireproof. I don't know. I'd wear those all day. I probably will. Anyway, make sure you check out the links. I have the other videos linked across the top. You probably saw them if you were watching the video. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Keep on wrenching, kids.